Christopher, you gonna try a cookie?
Yeah.
Is that a new smiley cookie? How is it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Take a bite. Mmm. Christopher, is it good?
Mm.
Can you show me another bite? Good job. Is it a heart? Show me. Show me the cookie. Let's see the cookie, buddy. Is it a good cookie? Yeah? Are we going to share the cookie with our brothers? No. Can your brothers have a cookie? Is the cookie all for Christopher?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Can Mama have a bite? Oh, thank you. Bye. Christopher. Bye.